Makhadzi's one-woman show at risk as promoter threatens court action. Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, or comment. Award-winning songbird Makhadzi's much-awaited one-woman show, billed for this Saturday at Makhuvha Stadium in Venda, is set to be thrown into disarray after another promoter threatened court action to force her to perform at his event on the same date. Thato Mashabela, the promoter of the event, has threatened to obtain a court order at the High Court in Polokwane to force Makhadzi to perform at his event at Boeketlong Lodge and Pub in Polokwane. In letter of demand, which we have seen, Mashabela's lawyers, Marwesh attorneys, said he booked the Makhadzi hitmaker to perform at the venue after signing an agreement with her record label Open Mic on May 12th. When the issue was communicated, our client advised us that Open Mic had made an undertaking to refund our client its monies and, in the alternate, our client should choose a different date. Our client further advised that you refused to accept its proposal to a roundtable meeting request. The lawyers state in the letter that Makhadzi was in breach of the contract and asked her to fix the mess within 2 days. They threatened to obtain a high court order to force her to perform at the lodge. If they carry out the threats, Makhadzi's one-woman show will be thrown into disarray. Should you fail to remedy the breach as demanded, kindly note that our instructions to urgently report yourselves to the regulatory authorities and to proceed with an urgent application in the High Court to compel you to honor the aforesaid contract with punitive legal costs. Our client's rights are reserved, reads the letter. Speaking to Sunday World on Wednesday, Mashabela confirmed that he is in dispute with Makhadzi over her withdrawal from his event. He said when he inquired from Open Mic, the record label assured him that the muso will perform at his show as she usually performs at several shows per day. He said they will take Makhadzi to court if she does not honor her contract to perform at the lodge. The event is already fully booked, as well as the lodge, said Mashabela. People want to see Makhadzi. If it was just any other artist, it would be better, but it is impossible to lie to people about Makhadzi because she is a big artist. Open Mic's representative, only known as Makhudzi, denied that Makhadzi has another booking for Saturday. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment down below.